Imagine you had a coin that could revolutionize the way we transact. A coin that's faster, more private, and more secure than anything else on the market. That's the promise of Beancoin. But the question on everyone's mind is, just how high can Beancoin's price go? Understanding Beancoin. Before we dive into the price, let's quickly understand what Beancoin is. It's a cryptocurrency that uses Mimblewimble, a privacy-focused protocol that hides transaction details. This makes Beancoin a popular choice for those who value privacy and security. Factors affecting Beancoin's price. Several factors can influence Beancoin's price. These include market sentiment. If more people believe Beancoin will appreciate in value, its price is likely to rise. Adoption. The more businesses and individuals adopt Beancoin, the higher its demand and price. Technological developments, upgrades to the Bean network or the development of new use cases can impact its value. Regulatory environment. Government regulations can significantly affect the cryptocurrency market, including Beancoin. Historical price performance. To get a better sense of Beancoin's potential, let's look at its historical price performance. While it's important to note that past performance doesn't guarantee future results, it can provide valuable insights. Insert a visual representation of Beancoin's historical price chart. As you can see, Beancoin has experienced both significant price increases and decreases. Its price has been influenced by various factors, including market-wide trends and specific developments within the Bean ecosystem. Predicting future price. Predicting the future price of any cryptocurrency is challenging and involves a degree of speculation. However, based on the factors we've discussed, here are some potential scenarios. Bullish scenario. If Beancoin gains widespread adoption, receives positive regulatory attention, and experiences significant technological advancements, its price could rise substantially. Bearish scenario. On the other hand, negative market sentiment, regulatory crackdown, or technical issues could lead to a price decline. The potential for Beancoin's price to reach new heights is real, but it's important to approach investments with caution. Do your own research, understand the risks involved, and diversify your portfolio. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.